everyone! I'm Sarah. Welcome to Sarah's Fun Vlog. Let's start the vlog. Hey guys! I'm Sarah. Welcome to my cartoon vlog channel. On this channel, we will go on fun adventures, learn cool things, meet cute pets, and have LOTs of fun together.
This is my mom. Hey, Mom. And this is my dad. He tells funny jokes. And this is my little brother. He is super funny.
We love spending time together. And now YOU are part of our family too. Thank you for visiting my channel. Get ready for amazing videos. See you in the next vlog. Bye guys!